for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.